Today was the first day of my job. Today was the first day of my job. Today was the first day of my job. Hey, today was the first day of my job. It went well. It went well. It went well. It went well. I don't know why they was asking me if I'm coming back. Of course I'm coming back. I'm broke. I'm broke. I'm broke. I'm broke. I'm broke. And it's a good job. In this economy, we keeping jobs. Do, 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 do. And here I am, and there I go. I'm running around, having fun. You can't stop me. Oh, you can't stop me. I'ma keep going. I'ma keep going. You can't stop me. Oh, you can't stop me. Yeah. You can't stop me. You can't stop me. Oh, you can't stop me. Don't let nobody stop you, y'all. Don't let nobody stop you, baby. 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 They're gonna try to stop you, y'all. You can't let them stop you. Don't let nobody stop you, baby. What up, blueberries? Bluebirds. Oh, it's bluebirds. It's bluebirds. It's bluebirds. Why are you using Windows 7? Because 7 is a lucky number, didn't you know? Didn't you know, man? 7 is a lucky number. 7 is a lucky number. I thought you knew that. One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. 2 can be as bad as 1. Da-na-na-na-na-na, don't know words to the song. Hey, hey. I'm gonna put this right here, so nobody can say actually. Put the Cairo right here. Are you still doing C++? I hopped in yesterday's stream and you seemed like you were more focused on HR thing. You must have came at the end then. Da 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 ba ba ba. Yeah, we doing C++. 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 What kind of, oh, VTube? Alright, let's see. What we doing? Where did I leave off? Y'all, I looked at my notes today and realized I take a lot of notes. A lot of notes. A lot of them. You know? Two can be as bad as one. We gotta study. We gotta. It took Jordan a while, but dude made it. What are you talking about? Who is this? Oh, you gotta go. I don't know what you talking about. Something ain't right about you. All right. Something that seemed right about none of that. There's a lot of people you could have compared me to, but something about what you're saying, I don't know. It's not hitting right. Oh, okay. You've been studying a lot. First day at my job was good. returns. Okay. Sorry, I had to lock in. This can't be a long string. This is my first day at my new job, and I won't lie. I worked the job from 8 to 5, came home, cut the grass, ate, laid down, and now I'm here. So I'm gonna try. Yeah, I'm working in HR now. I'm gonna try to make these streams longer on the weekdays, but let me build up the stamina. Let me read these comments. There's a lot of shit. Let's see. Somebody. You probably say it all the time, but why are you not doing web dev? Just curious. I'm bored. Bored with it. Okay, Faith Not Works. Okay, my Java courses were pretty good in teaching it. Oop, he does all dev. I mean, technically, I want to combine all of these things. C++, the reason I'm looking up C++ stuff is because I'm working with a lot of Excel sheets at this job, and I'm wondering, can I do some Excel stuff? I wonder, can I even run a random program on that thing? We'll find out. Automated monotub. Next up, learn mono repo so you can build web, mobile, etc. off one code base. Bro, he needs to read stack trace. Shut up. If we all join forces, I bet we become millionaires. Yeah, and somebody's gonna like fuck up the money. I don't need money, I need knowledge. I need knowledge and fulfillment. Okay, then you should pay us for knowledge. If we all join forces, we would be able to learn from each other. Then I need money. Join us. Bro, read the error list. Shut up. Line 100. Shut up. Set good Kristen Code sets good principles. You should all learn from him, and it shows up daily to learn as well as doing it live. It equal he. Somebody call me it. Live streaming forces you to focus and not switch tabs. But Chris was switching tabs. Shut up. Caught him reading automate the boring stuff. Shut up. Shut up. That's no problem, but he should be copying the whole stack trace from the AI. Shut up. Cool. Reads you should check it out. Save so much time. Okay, cool. Or at least read it. Day to day, there are a lot of computer tasks that could be automated, but the average user doesn't know how. True. How do you stay motivated / disciplined? I twerk and I touch grass. Open it in File Explorer, the VS Code. Yeah, you're right. Whatever your name, Vic, you're right. Yeah, it needs to be open in File Explorer. Yes, it's a great book. Think I'll read it for some ideas about love for the craft. He shows up daily. Is on a mission to completion. Thank you. Agents inside VS Code will help a lot and is free while losing time and brickhead. Shut up. Been transitioning to local LLMs. Use Grok. Gemini is shit. Shut up. Bro, Gemini is so good. What do you mean? And to be honest, if you know enough about the subject, just write .md docs and then have agents carry out those tasks. By 2027, your job could be, okay, can you use AI bots? I found Grok the best and it's free and the data is updated day by day. Gemini, mainly used for when I need YouTube video to be watched by Gemini. You can use, honestly, if I was in a position to hire, I would hire Christian Codes without a doubt. His willingness to learn on his own and figure it out the hard way is an instant sell for me. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. Hold on, did I skip some stuff? How many link? How was your first day? Oh, what's up, Ali? It was good. Hey, Ali, I hope you're doing great. Get enough rest. I hope. How many languages are you trying to learn at the same time? No worries, Kristen. Don't burn yourself out. I think automate the boring stuff had an Excel. Yeah, it does have an Excel chapter. That's why I looked at it. But then I was like, I wanted to see C++ have an Excel. And that got me excited because like I just felt like I was like, I'm just learning C++ for embedded. But now since I know I can do Excel stuff with it, that sounds cool to me. So I'll probably do some Excel shit. It learns code. It puts the lotion on its skin. Oof. Hello, my bad. You were... Oh, shit. He'll get to stack trace in chapter 3 where it talks about debugging tactics. Nah, I mean, I was one reading it wrong, not him. Hey, brother, long time no see. How is front end mentor process? Can you share how you see tech world comparing from day one until now? Hi, Papa Bear. What's up, Roha? Hope you had a good day at work, Roha. Hope the Monday was good for you. Um, I'm not doing front end mentor anymore, but I do recommend it. Can you share how you see tech world comparing from day one until now? I was always skeptical of it, but now I know what I don't want to do. Hi, so don't bother learning how to code, just use bullshit AI. Some of these comments are crazy. What's your new job? I work in HR. I'm doing good, bro. Missed y'all. What's up, Ali? Oh, make sure y'all like, if y'all like me, I guess. Okay. Again, I came late today. Tomorrow, I'm gonna try to at least do 2 to 3 hours on straight. And now I know I want to do Excel stuff. It just depends on what you want to do. That's a hard question to ask. If I were you, and I'm not trying to bullshit you, I would sit down and have a personal, intimate, sexy time with one of these AIs and start asking them some questions. Oh, HR, that's cool. I bet your brain is exploding with applications you could create. Exactly, exactly. That's why I was just sitting there. I used to work IT, and my IT job was so intense. And from what I understand, a lot of help desk jobs aren't as intense. And that job made me realize I'll just say this, when I came to this job today, they were saying, oh, you're gonna come back tomorrow, because I guess they felt like they were overwhelming me. Little do they know, in my last help desk job, of course I would create users, terminate. I would create new employees, terminate employees, give them new passwords. Um, Again, it was a chain of restaurants. It was Jason's Deli, and y'all can Google how many restaurants that has around the U.S. So we were handling all of that. Any one of those could call us and have an issue, whether it be with a TV, whether it be with the menus, whether it be with the alarm system, whether it be with the cameras, whether it be with the routers, whether it be with the servers in the back, the multiple things that were in there, the computers in the back, and each one of the computers had different systems. They all had different logins. I had to go into like several, 7, 8, 9, 10 different systems sometimes to do one fucking thing over and over and over, and it was always something new you can learn. So I'm starting to learn that people get acclimated to a certain level of difficulty. And that's not all I did, because we were also the liaison between a lot of departments and other departments, payroll, benefits, all that like it was. And then I was also sending out computers, ordering stuff, doing all different types of shit. Like doing all different. I mean, it sounds okay. It doesn't sound that hard when I say it, but imagine it non-stop though. Imagine it not stopping for 8 hours. I would have 3 screens up, and each screen, 3 screens. I felt like 3 screens weren't enough. I mean, they were probably enough for my supervisor, but and like everybody kind of had a different way of doing things, and then somebody would teach me one way, and then somebody would say no, don't do it this way, and then there was some niche things that I don't know, man. I don't think I'm doing it justice with how difficult that job was. Please reply my comment, please. No, I can't. I don't think I could really describe how difficult that job is, because I don't think I explained everything, and I know I didn't. But after working that job, I realized that any other clerical position that I'm in, any other thing that involves paperwork or working with people or answering this or that, it's not going to be hard. So today they thought they overwhelmed me, and I was like, no means no. And I already answered your question. There we go. Because I already told you that I told you, if you were listening, I told you to have a deep, passionate conversation, sexy time with AI and ask it some questions. That's what I told you. You weren't listening. Go sit with AI, ask it those questions, find out what you want to do, and then go from there. Yep, when you've done enough, it's no, and when you told enough and have to repeat it, it's no. Yeah. So, um, this job, it makes me really. I feel blessed that I had my last IT job. I learned a lot, and it was one of the first jobs where I left that place, and I was still cool with my boss. Like I can go to his Discord right now. However, comma semicolon. It makes this job. It's weird that they thought they were overwhelming me today, but I was like asking them questions. I was like, "Is that we could start going further?" But let me not say that shit because I don't know if they probably watching this shit. You know what I mean? We can't have that shit. But job is great. The people are great. Um, they already talking about other promotions and moving me up to another position in some time. There's also a certification that I have to work on in the HR field. There's a lot to do, but it's not as much as I was doing last year. This what I'm doing now in work and my studies is nothing compared to the first 6 months of last year. If y'all would have seen me the first 6 months of last year, y'all would have said this dude is about to burn out, and I did burn out. It was the first time I ever experienced burnout, and it was crazy. But I like the job. I like the people. They seem nice. I'm the only male in the office. Um, they seem to be a tight knit group of people. And yeah, they kept asking me if I'm going to come back tomorrow. I'm like, yeah, I'm going to come back tomorrow. Don't be human removals, be human revolutions. So, yeah, the first thing I thought about when I was at this job today was like, there has to be a way I can automate some of this stuff. Actually, when she was showing me how to do some process, I actually found a better way to do it while we were doing it. It no, it's not. It's not actually a company. It's government. So, alrighty. Yes, I work. It is not a company. It's not a private company. It is le government. I work for the man. Um, there's a spreadsheet. So we do a lot of hiring and onboarding processes, and so I was thinking of there's this one process where you have to keep track of a certain files and where people are in the process, and I was like, I could write a script that would summarize this and send it in an email. Yes, I think government jobs are the best too. And honestly, when she was talking about it was the first job I ever had. I mean, this was the first interview I ever had in my life where the head boss, the head director lady, who was a very, she gave me an actual real hug today, and I felt all warm and fuzzy. She was the first time, it was the first time in an interview where I heard somebody actually talk about moving up and how they want. It was the first time I ever heard somebody have a vision for me moving forward. Okay? So I was like, oh wow. They already have a position in mind. So that made me feel real good. So that's why yeah, I'm happy too. And I'll say that's why the last 2 weeks I was kind of conflicted because I was like I was telling y'all, I'm getting older. I need to settle down in something. If I keep chasing tech, who knows when I'm gonna get the money? And I'm five. I'm in July. I'll be 35. In 5 years from July, I'll be 40, and I'm already getting tired. I don't know how I went and cut the grass today. After I well, anyway, y'all know what I mean. If some of y'all are in your 30s, you know 30s hits different than 20s. It really does. And that energy, like I don't know. Y'all see people on the internet. So I remember when I was like 26 and I had a roommate that was like 38, and he would always tell me, man, when you turn 30, that's when shit gets real. He said that's when shit gets real, and I was like, oh, whatever. I turned 30, and I was like, oh, 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 yeah. So when you hit 30, something clicks, and something on your body might crack. So, um, that's why I was conflicted because I was like, man, do I actually like web dev? I'm 37 yesterday, and yeah, those aches and pains and 0% energy, how I get out into the sun, exercise, exactly. Like, I'm trying, see, I started doing OMAD Thursday. It's been going good. I lost 7 pounds. Um, Come here. I lost 7 pounds or whatever. And then, today I was like, okay, I'm tired, but I can't cut the grass today. So that was my exercise for today. And so I'm trying to change my eating habits and trying to eat less and trying to be healthier and shit. Cause man, that's 0% energy. And then I take one for depression and anxiety, and the other one's for depression. That's supposed to both of them are supposed to be like uppers, but they kind of like they bring me down for some reason. So it is what it is, man. I'm trying, right, Malachi? So you can get some good treats, right? Mm-hmm. Oh, no, it is not Adderall. I took Vyvanse though. Vyvanse is way better. I think I took Vyvanse XR. Way, way awesome. I'm trying change habits. I think the best one is wake up early and the first um, go outside, take in some fresh air, then eat a good breakfast and go for a walk. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Vyvanse is the Cadillac though. Vyvanse is the Cadillac. Also, I started Wellbutrin. I Google see my doctor tried to get me to take Wellbutrin 2 years ago, and I was like, a veteran's wage? You mean if you get disability? The chart is online. Just type in VA disability chart payment or whatever, and it'll pop up. But I don't receive disability. Um, what was I gonna say? It's good to eat a good. I forgot what I was talking about. That veteran's wage made me forget. For me, it's 4 a.m. and before I go sleep, I do a 3K run because my joints don't be seizing up on this computer. All right, I'm gonna tell y'all what happened today at work. Actually, no, I don't think I can say it. I'll wait because I don't know who's gonna watch this. I don't know who's gonna see this out there, and I can't be talking about. But somebody. I can't even talk about it. Fuck. I can't even talk about it. But I will tell y'all this: when somebody pisses y'all off, sometimes the best thing to do is stare. Put it in Discord, yo. You gonna port now, bro? Yeah, exactly. I can't. Yeah, I can't even. I can't even say it. But the people at the job, amazing. The people I work with, amazing. I'm pretty sure we're gonna learn people's personalities and all. There's always gonna be ups and downs. But everybody that I'm working with so far, there's one lady that she seems like she keeps to herself, which I respect wholeheartedly. If you want to stay to yourself, I understand that. There's some other people that are a little bit talkative and some are quiet, and it seems like a tight-knit group of people. Boop, 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 boop. So, what is with all this on you? It's like, I feel like we took him to the groomers, and I feel like they cut him too close, and they hurt him, cause now he has like scab, like kind of like, hold on, Malik, hold on, just hold on. It's like he has rough spots on both sides. Like, what were they doing? I'm gonna tell them about that shit, or maybe he always had this. I don't know, man. Yeah, I'm like, listen, I fought tooth and nail for this dog, okay? I fought tooth and nail for you so you could get good treats, okay? I got into it with your mother so you could get good treats, okay? I'm talking about literal war up in this house just so you could have some good shit. I don't know what he is, honestly. He basically the brain of the code. He's a really good dog, y'all. He don't want too much. And all he want, and he'll sleep. He'll sleep. You put him next to you. In about 10 minutes, he's gonna go to sleep. And then he wants a snack every now and then. He'll come. He'll sit. He loves to cuddle. He's really good when it comes to play fetch. He listens. I don't know. I really don't have any. The only complaints I have is that if somebody even breathes next to this house, he goes ballistic. So, right, Malachi? Right. But they did a good job on your cut, though. They did. I wish they would do a little bit more of a gradient as they go down. They think it's cute when they leave a lot of. I don't know. I feel like they got a little. You know what? Whatever. I mean, he looks good. Yeah, when it's just me and him, I just sit him on the floor. And if any small sound outside, it's weird because he'll hear any small sound outside. But if I call him in the house, sometimes he won't even respond to me. Yeah, he does have the perimeter on lock, right? Even when people come into the house. And they did a good job trimming your nails. Well, I think. Yeah. So anyway, so yeah, I'm about to lay down. I gotta get up and go to work in the morning. I'm pretty sure some of y'all do too. How old is he? I think he made 2 earlier this year. Yeah, he made 2. And he's like the perfect size too. Anyway, all right, I'm about to go. I'm gonna cuddle with Malachi, right? I'm gonna cuddle with you. I'm gonna tell your mother about how they put the razor too close, and I'm gonna tell them something next time too. Before she drops you off there, cause I don't like this shit. I don't know if y'all do this with y'all dogs, but I always feel on him, make sure his coat is nice and his skin. I treat this dog like a child. Good luck at work tomorrow, bro. Push those limits with your coding, bro. Chance to implement those processes. Yes, sir. Alrighty, I will see y'all tomorrow. Make sure y'all like and subscribe if you want to. Alright, bye.